Looking for a tasty and healthy treat? Look no further than the peanut butter banana smoothie. This simple and satisfying beverage is packed with goodness. Bananas provide natural sweetness and are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and support muscle function. Peanut butter adds creaminess and a dose of healthy fats, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it's a good source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. To make this delicious smoothie, simply blend together a ripe banana, a spoonful of peanut butter, and a cup of your favorite milk until smooth and creamy. You can also add a handful of spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Enjoy this tasty treat as a quick breakfast or post-workout snack and fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive.